In the heart of Vienna's 13th district lies a building that symbolizes royal hospitality. Welcome to the Parkhotel Schönbrunn. Originally built in 1907, it was the former guest house of Emperor Francis Joseph. Over the years, the hotel has hosted legends, from royal dignitaries to the inventor, Thomas Edison himself. As you walk through the doors, you aren't just a guest. You're stepping into a legacy of imperial nostalgia, blended seamlessly with modern, four-star superior luxury. With over 300 rooms, there is a space for every type of traveler. There are a variety of rooms on offer, and they look simply majestic. The rooms offered are classic room, superior room, premium room, family room, junior suite, suite, and classic single room. Every room is a sanctuary. Expect soundproof windows, high-speed Wi-Fi, and plush bedding that guarantees a stay fit for an emperor. And for those who value a view, many rooms overlook the lush hotel gardens or the historic streets of Hietzing, one of Vienna's most affluent neighborhoods. Now for the hotel's most unique comfort, the private Schloss Garden. While Vienna is a bustling capital, this hotel hides a massive, serene inner garden where guests can lounge in hammocks under a 100-year-old plane tree. If you are hungry, then begin your day at the historic Winter Garden restaurant. Imagine having a traditional Austrian breakfast under a glass dome flooded with natural morning light. By evening, the Gloriette bar serves as the perfect spot for a Viennese coffee or a signature cocktail, surrounded by the same grandeur that once hosted the royals. Spend your afternoon at the Tiergarten Schönbrunn, the world's oldest zoo, or hike up to the Gloriette Hill for the most iconic view of the Vienna skyline. Other popular landmarks at close distance from the hotel are Stadtbahn-Hofpavillon, Palmenhaus Schönbrunn and Rosarium. If you want to travel to the city center of Vienna, the Hietzing U-Bahn station is just 50 meters away from the hotel. It provides direct connections to Vienna's city center within 15 minutes. The hotel is highly rated by its guests on all major travel sites like Booking.com, TripAdvisor, Agoda, and Make My Trip. Come experience the beauty of Parkhotel Schönbrunn, a place where history sleeps and your Vienna story begins.